Hi all and welcome back to our channel. So today let's discuss about Order 14 fiscal localization for Colombia. So for that, first we have to go to App Store, and after removing the apps filter, you can search for Colombia. And okay, so when you search for the country, you can see here four modules are available. So the localization package includes four modules. So first one is Columbia Accounting. So all the basic features for handling accounting module, including chart of account, default taxes, identification, document types, etc., uh, are included in this module. Then we have electronic invoicing for Columbia. So this generates extra field type of invoice value and Colombian EDI codes, and also supports electronic invoicing. Then we have a separate module for managing point of sale. Then here we have Colombian accounting reports. So it generates accounting reports for Colombia. So these modules are already installed in my database. So it will be automatically installed if you set country as Colombia when you are creating the database. Okay, so after installing these modules, you can create a company and set details. So when you go to settings, so you can see there are 10 companies available. Okay, so I have set some general information including address. So I have set Colombia as a country, then a state, then I've added contact details, and you can also provide VAT number and other details. And after you can save and switch to that company. So now you can see I'm in this company. Okay, so after that you can go to accounting module, and here we can go to settings. Okay, so there we can set the fiscal localization. So taxes, fiscal position, chart of accounts, and legal statements for your country can be set. So from here, we can find Colombian generic chart of accounts. So just choose that and save the settings. So if you haven't installed the packages, you can install by clicking on this link. Okay, then we can set default tax for company. And here we can see the fiscal country set as Colombia. So only the tax reports associated to this country will be available. And now when you go to dashboard, you can find some journals and are configured. And you can also find chart of accounts. Some chart of accounts are set. Then taxes, journals. Okay. Now let's go to configuration settings. That is, and see how we can configure credentials for electronic invoicing. Okay. So here, When you come below settings, we can find a section where we can configure details related to Colombian electronic invoicing. So here we have Carousel configuration and report configuration. So here we can add the credential to the required fields. So here we can add the credentials to the required fields. So we can enable test mode so that one can connect with the Carousel and TNS testing environment. So this helps help the users to verify the full workflow and integration with the CEN financial portal. And it can also be disabled once the configuration for Odoo and this Carousel are set and ready for production. Okay, so here we can provide username, password, company ID, account ID, and template code required for this configuration. Then here we can set details for a report configuration. So can that is used to configure the electronic invoice header information. So we can define tax and bank information at this in this report configuration. Now let's go to a partner form and check additional features available. So when you choose a customers, okay, so inside the partner form, here we can see an additional field that is identification number. So Colombian localization introduces fields to add the document identification number. So all partners have the field to add this type and number. So it can be here you can find VAT, and so you can see different identification numbers. When we search more, you can find different identification number which is available for this country Colombia. Okay, and here we can add that number. Then let's move on to taxes. So in most cases of selling products, tax should be imposed on the transaction. So it is important to add value type for the tax. Okay, so here we can find the value type. There is a retention type, tax type that Colombian localization provides. So this specification is used to show the taxes accurately in the PDF invoice. So you can choose one and save. Then here we can see configuring journals. So journal related to invoice is updated once a DIAN assigns an official sequence and prefix for the electronic invoice resolution. So we have to activate developer mode and go to journal from accounting configuration. So the sequence number gets updated in the journals and then configure the prefix and the next number of the sequence number and should synchronize with CAN, that is electronic business sender. So this enables CAN enables companies to exchange financial information between business partners in an adaptable and online way for efficient resource management, assisting the management on multiple areas like accounting, billing, investments, and other financial deliveries. And then we also have to set job position inside the partner form. So the invoice PDF template of Odoo will include a job position of partner by default. Okay, now let's test the workflow of an electronic invoice. So for that, we have to set master data and credentials. So the National Directorate of Taxes and Customs, that is DIAN in Colombia, creates a new criteria for electronic invoicing. The resolution determines which businesses are expected to invoice electronically, sets a timeline for the systematic use of electronic invoicing, and describes electronic, that is invoicing type to become electronic. So we can create invoice, same that we have as we have seen before, but we have some additional fields when creating invoice. Okay, so here we can see electronic invoice type. Okay, okay. So these electronic invoice types can be used for invoices, credit or debit notes, then exportation transactions, etc. So once invoice is created and posted, an XML file will be generated and automatically sent to Kavajal. And you can see the details that is including the file in the charter, that is log node. Okay, so that's all about fiscal localization for Colombia. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.